Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Facebook location. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to turn on location settings on Facebook, just follow these steps. First thing you're gonna do is open Facebook app, then tap the three horizontal lines on your profile picture on the right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings, then scroll down to Location. Make sure that you allow location access, and let's go to Device Settings. So it says here, tap Android Settings, scroll to Permission, tap Location, and select Option. So we go to App Permission, then Location. Then here, it will ask you the location access for this app. So it's already allowed. So choose the level of location access you want to give on Facebook. So once you turned on location settings on Facebook, the app will able to access your device location data. This can be very useful for features like check-ins, location-based ads, and finding events near you. However, it's important to take note that Facebook will also collect and use this data for advertising purposes. If you're concerned about privacy, you may want to adjust your location settings accordingly. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!